Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Man Cave. I'm Dan.
I'm Jim.
And today we are going to be making homemade dog treats.
Ooh.
So to get right into it, we're pretty much just going to use brown rice flour. Now I'm using brown rice flour because Gwenny actually is allergic to wheat. But if you're not sure whether or not your dog may have a wheat allergy.
Oh, gluten-free.
Gluten-free, yeah, exactly. Gluten-free, no
Gwenny's
wheat.
a hipster.
She is a hipster. She's a millennial hipster. Now, I'm using brown rice flour, which you can really just find in the grocery store. We're also going to need 2 eggs, about 2/3 cups of pumpkin puree, about a 1/4 cup of peanut butter, and then, of course, cookie cutters, which...
Biscuit cutters.
Biscuit cutters. All I have are Christmas.
Maybe it's always Christmas for dogs.
It's always Christmas here, at least for me. I know I start texting in Christmas lists and Christmas ideas. When did I start last year? August? I was like, oh, we should do this for Christmas.
We already have Halloween costume ideas.
Oh yeah, so those are going to start flowing soon. Always keeping it ahead. Now I'm going to be using a stand mixer with a paddle attachment.
Paddle.
Always like a good paddle. So to start, we're just going to go ahead and throw in our pumpkin puree. Then we're going to toss in our peanut butter. Now we're going to mix that up in a low speed. I usually just use the stir just to get it nice and creamy. And while that's going, we're going to throw in our 2 eggs. I'm going to try to be fancy and do that one hand
It's going in.
twist thing. So let's see if that works. Nope. Did not work. Shells in the bag. So now that we have those eggs straight out, let's go ahead back to putting that on the stir. Now, if you guys know any tips or tricks on how to do that one-hand egg crack, definitely shoot a comment down below and let me know, because I would love to know how to do it. I'm sure you would. So while that's mixing and not trying to be fancy, we're going to go ahead and put our second egg in. Now while that's going, we want to throw in our brown rice flour, little by little. And while that mixes, just keep throwing it in until the dough no longer looks sticky. That actually smells really good.
It does smell good. Reminds me of pumpkin spice lattes.
Oh, PSL. It's almost PSL time too.
It's April.
Well, PSL time is any time. Now as that's mixing, you're going to notice that it's going to start lumping up and balling, which is something that we do want. Ideally, we would get one big ball of dough. Yeah, the dough hook comes in real hand, other than just a Captain Hook prop.
It's the claw!
The claw. Now that we have our ball, we can go ahead and power this guy off. And as you can see, not sticky at all.
Ooh, it's kind of like Play-Doh.
It is like Play-Doh, but you can eat it.
I ate Play-Doh.
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
Never ate anything weird. I feel like I'm lying right now. I probably did.
Mm-hmm.
Now that we have our ball of dough, we need to work on a floured surface because even though it's not sticky, just like any dough, it's going to cause a mess. And I like small amount of time cleaning up as possible. So let's go ahead and get our flour. Just a little sprinkle. And then we're just going to go ahead and knead our dough. You want to roll?
Oh no.
No?
No, no, no.
So any rolling pin will do, really. So once we get this worked out, we're going to go ahead and spread it just so we have lots to cut with. Alright, now that we got that all rolled out, you ready to start cutting out some biscuits?
Yeah.
Alright, so go ahead and get our cookie cutters. Alright, let's go.
Reindeer.
And Santa, I think that's Santa or a light? No, Santa.
Santa. This is a stocking.
It's a stocking. Is that? No, this is a stocking.
What is this?
A boot?
Christmas boot.
Santa's boot. And you just go ahead and press down in there to get a good shape, and then you want to just peel away. And don't worry about any of the excess because all that can just be rolled out until you get enough of a dough surface to make more shapes. You gonna peel?
Oh. Rip the boot.
Rip the boot. We can always remake it.
This is an angel.
And
Because Gwenny's your little angel.
she's my little angel. She's a princess. Alright, let's go with the star. And what option are you
You did a star already.
gonna She's a double star.
Okay. I'm gonna use this
Snowflake?
snowflake. Ooh.
Just there you go. Perfect snowflake. I don't know what that is.
Gingerbread man.
Why is he?
Gingerbread man.
We'll go with the gingerbread man. Alright, we got some more space. Should we make some more?
Yeah. And
Let me make this stocking.
that's the boot. That's the stocking.
Just give it a good jiggle. And a wiggle. Jiggle and a wiggle. Now that we have our cookies on the tray, we're going to go ahead and pop them into the oven, 350, for about 20 to 25 minutes. And now, with our dog treats nice and cooled off, we can do the human test. What do you think?
why not?
Why not, right? Let's do it.
I'll do a star.
I'm going to do a boo. Cheers.
Okay.
Crunchy.
Pumpkin.
Crunchy, yet satisfying.
Not sweet.
Not sweet, which dogs shouldn't have a lot of sugar anyway.
I like all that.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
I say we do the dog test. Where's Gwenny? Gwenny! Up, up. There you are, Gwenny. Hi. Alright, treat. You want a treat?
Ooh, yeah.
Is it good? Oh, you like it.
We'll try some more in a little bit, okay?
Well, I think this was parent tested, Gwenny approved. What do you say? You want to get more treats? Alright. Well, we will see you guys next time. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button or the thumbs down. I'll be putting this recipe down at the bottom, along with Instagram and Facebook. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Bye.